Yo, hello guys, and welcome back again to a brand new video. In today's tutorial, I will show you how to query a table. So basically guys, sometimes you've been working on like a table and some data on another, for example, program, and you want to combine all of these data together in one Excel sheet. Well, basically, actually, the Excel or Microsoft Excel give you this opportunity that you can actually combine them together. So, first of all, you will need like a list of data, and then we have to go and open our Excel sheet. So, let's go ahead and let me create a new one, blank workbook. And here, as you can see, what I'm going to do is go to data. Here, as you can notice, there is all the information that you can get from data, recent sources, from picture, from table range, from web, from text, CSV, and here is the get data. So let's click on it. So this is the query data that you can get. This is from file, so this is from Excel, from text, XML, JSON, PDF folder. You can get them from database, SQL, Microsoft Access database, from analysis services, Oracle database, and so go on. From Azure, from Power Platform, and online services, and from other sources. So for our case, for example, let's go from file, from Excel workbook. Now I will wait a little bit until it fully loads, and let us give it some time. And now we go and search for our project. So we went here and let's drag this. So as you can see now, it will establish a connection to list that, and it will by the end try and drag it here. So I want this to be transformed data, load. So as you can see, this is the data that it loaded for us. So if you went here to Power Query, it will show you the data that you have created. So as you can see, here is the table one, here is the table. So as you can see, this is the informations that I have in my table. Here is, for example, some items, kind, name, and etc. If I go back here, let's go back to data again, and let's get data from file, from Excel again, and let's do it, but this time I will click on transform. So let's do it like that, but this time I will click on transform rather not the load. So transform data. So as you can see now, it will open it again, and now what it does basically, if you have any data in here, it will be transformed to the other table. So if you have any data in this Excel sheet, it will be transformed to the other Excel sheet. So yeah guys, that's how you can actually query table in Excel. Thanks a lot for watching.